Hi everyone, so in this quick video I'm going to show you how to search for an asset. There are actually multiple ways to do that in VIZOR, which makes it really easy to find something while you're working with somebody. So let's say someone comes in to repair their laptop and you want to give them a replacement laptop. You can easily come here and look for a new one. So what you can do is here you can type in what you're looking for. You can use a barcode reader to scan the item and find it here so that you can then just pass it on to the person who needs it. For some general queries, you can actually come here and we have preset queries, which makes it super easy to find what you're looking for. For example, I just want to know all the Chromebooks that I have, or all the assets that are considered lemons. And in VIZOR, what a lemon means is when it comes back for repair 3 times or more, we consider it a lemon. Something has to be wrong with it, right? So we tag it as a lemon, so that's an example of that. Or we want to know our retired assets. And so we can come here, press retired assets, for example, and see, okay, this is all we have. You can come here, easily export the summary list, Excel file, CSV, and then you have it.